Welcome back. You're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Now, NewsX has accessed testimonies, viewers of some of the victims of the alleged TCS sexual harassment and religious conversion racket out of the 9 victims. Many have alleged that they were manipulated into following Islamic practices, while others faced harassment within the office premises and interference in their personal lives. Apart from these allegations, there have also been revelations around suspected links to trafficking. Siddharth Regi is joining me with more details. What more can you tell us, Siddharth?
Absolutely, Vaishali. I have, we're showing this on our screens as well. And these are the testimonies of the victims of this particular case that has come on TCS. I'm going to read it out. It's in Marathi and I'm going to try to translate it live as well. So the first paragraph of this particular testimony says that सन 2022 च्या जानेवारीमध्ये मी तानिश शेख याला भेटले. आम्ही दोघेही एका कॉलेजमधून पदवी घेतलेली असल्याने आमच्यामध्ये मैत्रीपूर्ण संबंध झाल्याने आम्ही नेहमी भेटत होतो. तानिश शेख हा नेहमी कामासाठी येत असे. तसेच त्यांनी तो कंपनीमध्ये इंजिनियर असून मला सुद्धा कंपनीमध्ये नोकरी लावून देऊ शकतो असं आश्वासन दिले. सो व्हॉट शी इज सेइंग इज दॅट इन 2022 शी मेट तानिश शेख इन अँड सिन्स द Tanish Sheikh, who's one of the accused, was in the same college as this particular woman. He was the one who told her that he's going to be giving her an opportunity to work in this company. Now, the second paragraph of this particular testimony says that जुलै 2022 मध्ये तानिश मला भेटण्यासाठी एका ठिकाणी आला आणि आला असता त्याने माझ्याकडे शारीरिक संबंध ठेवण्याची मागणी करून मला जबरदस्त जवळ ओढून माझ्या ओठावर किस केलं. मी त्यास विरोध करण्याचा प्रयत्न केल्यानंतर त्याने माझ्याशी लग्न करायची इच्छा व्यक्त केली. सो व्हॉट शी इज सेइंग इज दॅट right after she joined TCS, that's when Tanish tried to make the most of what he had offered her. He made personal advances, physical advances towards her, even tried to sexually harass her in this particular case. त्यानंतर तो नेहमी भेटण्यासाठी येत असे. I'm going to read the third paragraph of this particular testimony that we've received. त्यानंतर तो नेहमी भेटण्यासाठी येत असे. माझ्या डिग्री पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर तानिश यांच्या सांगण्याप्रमाणे मी MNC कंपनी इंटरव्ह्यू दिला असता माझी निवडणी झाली. तानिश शेख सुद्धा याच कंपनीत असल्याने माझे भेटणे बोलणे सतत चालू होते. तानिश शेख याचा मित्र Tausif Akhtar. So this is where she names the second accused, whose name is Tausif Akhtar. And obviously Nida Khan's mention is also made because she is the HR head. She is also allegedly being accused as the mastermind of this particular racket that was running in this multinational company. दरम्यान मला तानिश शेख आणि तौसिफ हे हिंदू धर्म आणि मुस्लिम धर्म यातील फरक सांगून त्याचा धर्म कसा चांगला आहे याबाबत मला पटवून सांगत असतात. तसेच आमच्यामध्ये असणारी स्त्री पुरुष यांची नीती शिल्पे व मूर्ती यांचा हिंदू धर्मामध्ये चुकीचा अर्थ लावला जातो असं सांगत असत. तसेच मला मुस्लिम धर्म स्वीकारण्यास प्रवृत्त करीत असत. सो यू सी अ पॅटर्न emerging here, Vaishali, because what she says is that a lot of conversations that Tanish, Nida Khan and Tausif had with her were talking about Hindu dharm and Muslim dharm, and they used to talk about the difference between these two religions. Why is it that Hindu religion is backward, and they were slowly trying her to adopt Muslim religion, what she says. She continues to say, त्यानंतर मी आणि तानिश असे ऑगस्ट 2024 मध्ये बाहेर फिरण्यासाठी त्याच्या बाईकवर गेलो असता तानिश आणि मला फसवून एका हॉटेलवर घेऊन गेला. सो अंडर द गार्ब ऑफ टेकिंग हर आउट, तानिश ऍक्च्युअली टुक हर टू अ हॉटेल इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर केस. सदर हॉटेलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर तानिश याने माझ्यासोबत शारीरिक संबंध ठेवण्याची जबरदस्ती केली. दिस इज वेअर the sexual harassment happened. She's making it clear in this particular testimony that 9 such women have come out and given their testimonies so far, and the FIR that has been filed with the Nashik police, that is from where we are pulling out these details. she goes on to say, आमच्या शारीरिक संबंधाबाबत तौसिफ अख्तर यास माहिती झाली असता तौसिफ अख्तर याने आमच्या नात्याबाबत माझ्या घरी सांगण्याची धमकी देऊन माझ्याकडे शारीरिक संबंधाची मागणी केली. So this is where he was trying to intimidate her. He was trying to blackmail her and telling her that, I'm going to tell everything that's going on at your home, and that on the basis of that he was trying to make physical advances with her. This goes on to say, मी त्यास स्पष्ट नकार दिला असता त्याने माझ्या घरी काहीही न सांगण्याची विनंती केली असता त्याने त्याची इच्छा पूर्ण करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. त्यानंतर मी माझ्या घराकडे सांगणार नाही असे सांगितले. दरम्यान तौसिफ हा मी ऑफिसमध्ये असताना लांबी पंटी येथे मला पकडून माझ्याशी अश्लील चाळे करून माझ्या मनात लज्जा निर्माण होईल असं वागत असं. सो यू सी रिपीटेड advances that were made towards her. She was blackmailed, she says. She was taken to a hotel, she says. Even when they were in office is what she's mentioning here. She says that when they were in office, he was trying to make advances towards her, and he was trying to even catch her in isolated places and take advantage of her, is what she says literally over here. त्यानंतर तानिश व तौसिफ हे सतत मला हिंदू धर्मावर वाईट गोष्टी सांगून त्याचे धर्म स्वीकारण्यास सांगत असेल. So there's repeated pressure that they try to build on her, try to convince her to let go of Hindu religion and adopt Muslim religion as per this shocking testimony that we've received as well. So she goes on to detail you can just imagine the amount of mental trauma, physical trauma that these women had to go just because of this entire racket that was running, and all of this was ignored by the HR, as has been clearly mentioned in this particular FIR, Vaishali.
All right, thanks for those details. Now, IT giant TCS is at the center of a major controversy, viewers, in Nasik after explosive allegations of sexual harassment and forced religious conversion surfaced at one of its offices. Multiple women employees have filed complaints accusing colleagues of sexual misconduct, coercion, and religious pressure. Some allegations even claim attempts to force victims into specific religious practices. The case has escalated rapidly, with at least 9 FIRs registered and several arrests made, including individuals from within the company's HR department. In a dramatic twist, police reportedly carried out an undercover operation inside the office to gather evidence, highlighting the seriousness of the accusations. TCS has suspended the accused employees and launched an internal probe led by the senior leadership, reiterating a zero-tolerance policy towards harassment and coercion. Top Tata leadership has called the incident deeply concerning, while the Maharashtra government says it is closely monitoring the investigation, having constituted an SIT to probe the matter. As the probe continues, the case has sparked nationwide outrage and raised serious questions about workplace safety, corporate accountability, and employee protection in India's IT sector. Let me, in fact, take you through the details